Heidi ho, guys and gals. Jeff King here, back again in the Den of Tools, and today we got a hot deals alert. Stop what you're doing. You're going to want to get this real quick, especially if you've been looking for a router, and I know a lot of you have. Check that out. We got $69, kid you not, for a Metabo HPT. Sorry, let me get my mouse on HPT fixed base 11 amp motor, 2.25 peak HP variable speed. This is the router from Metabo HPT. Of course, that used to be Hitachi back in the day. Oh my gosh, this thing was normally $150. This is on Amazon. Just place your order, hit the button. You're going to get the $69. I don't know if I'd quite call this a unicorn, but he's definitely related. This is a screaming deal if you've been waiting on a router. Yes, it's not a plunge base, and it doesn't have a ton of whiz-bang features, but this is a solid go-to corded router. And every shop needs a router like this. And I don't know, if you don't have one, I don't know any reason not to get this router. This thing is incredible. It even, look at that, it even comes with a 4mm hex blade wrench. Anyway, look at this. 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch collets, 16mm, 20mm wrench, template guide, centering gauge, and dust collection set, yada, yada, yada. This is just your solid workhorse kind of router. That's exactly what every shop needs. And at $69, you're saving $80. That is 54% off. I don't know why you wouldn't jump all over this. Anyway, let's see here. The recent prices on this, it's been kind of all over the place. But it's gotten as low as just under $100. It's been up to $140. $69 though. This is probably going to last 5-10 minutes. Make sure, if you want to get deals like this, make sure you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, and ring the bell to the channel, at the very least, subscribe and ring the bell to the new playlist, the Hot Deals playlist, where we're going to put out stuff like this. Also, we're going to be setting up an email list that I'm going to put out in the next few days, where you can sign up with the email list, because YouTube notifications not the best thing in the world. So for these kind of deals, you want to jump on them and get on the bandwagon. Make sure you're getting those deals and saving those bucks. Make sure you pay attention for when we have the video talking about the email list. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Just want to get this one a quick one out here so you don't miss out on this. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.